students, we are going to solve today's challenge, longest common subsequence. Given two strings text1 and text2, return the length of their longest common subsequence. If there is no common subsequence, return 0. We have to find longest common subsequence. If there is no subsequence, we have to return 0. A subsequence of a string is a new string generated from the original string with some characters can be none deleted without changing the relative order of the remaining character. A subsequence is a string which generated from original string in deleting some or none string in that string. As example, A B C D E. We delete B C, then we found A D E. A D E is subsequence of string. Uh, A, B, C, D is also a subsequence of this string without deleting substring. And subsequent we not reorder the element. We return subsequence in it is will be order. As example, A, B, C, D, E in order. We can't write D, E, A, B. It is not in same order as in previous string that is given without changing the relative order of remaining character. We have to find the common subsequence. We found the subsequence found the card subsequence from this and this. Both subsequence is common. As example, a a a c e a c e in both a c e in this present in this string also, and ace is present in this string. So we have to find the co common. So what is the solution? We can the solution is as we can take I and j for this, I for this and j for this is as a index. If equal to, then we increment the count as a found one size of 1 and increment both. B C not found cut, then increment 1, increment I C. We found the equal to C C, then increment both and increment answer also as a 2, and as a found D and air E not found, then we increment I E, and then E equal to E, then we found equal to, then answer increment plus 1 as answer equal to 3, we return answer 3. In this example also, uh, as a A D not equal, first we increment I not found, phase A D not found, then increment J also, the E B not found, uh, then increment I C E not found equal, then increment F also not found, then increment I it is out of bound, then we return, we got no element equal to, then we return simply 0. So here is the solution, recursive solution. First we solve the recursive, then we memorize the solution with diffie. So then return max len s1 s2 0, 0 index of I first for first string and 0 for index for second string. If base case for recursive solution, if any of string go out of size, then we return simply 0 is equal to, then we return 1 plus and both index increment, then we call function again. Else if not equal to, then we found the max of first we increment j, increment the second string index, then find the answer, uh, first increment in string index increment, then we found which is maximum, we return the maximum. So it will be give clearly if we submit because it's not memorized. So it is giving time limit exists, so we are going to memorize. So into dp size, we take size of what is the length plus 1000 plus 1 for safe, plus 1. We initialize all the array as all the dp is as a minus 1, dp comma minus 1, mems u is memset, so as a dp. Then we initialize as a dp, we store it in dp I j. We also here store the answer in dp I j, and we store the if we found ij as a, it is I I and j not equal to minus 1, means we have already searched for this index, search as in this case we already have answer, then we simply return dp. I am going to run this solution. It is correct. I am going to submit. Sorry, any mistake I am seeing that. mm, oh sorry, we have to return this. Finally is right answer. Thank you.